Welcome to the Rainforest Walk at Crystal Castle. This is almost 1 kilometre of paths through the forest. We started the project 18 years ago. It was full of weeds, and with Rainforest Rescue, a local NGO, we came in with community planting days, sometimes 100 people, planting this forest, all different stages. We've brought back native birds, native animals, and it's a beautiful, healthy ecosystem, restoring some of the big scrub of the east coast of Australia that was once here before it was all cleared. And it's a beautiful, peaceful walk through the forest, lots of rainforest species. There's now giant tree ferns, rainforest tree ferns, giant gum trees, all kinds of eucalypts. The famous Australian national icon Michael Lernick drew this special cartoon for this project for us in Rainforest Rescue about planting trees. So when we found this property in 1986, there was basically no trees at all on the property, everything gone. So we started planting trees that year. We planted this tree. It's now giant eucalypts, giant Australian gum tree. A whole bunch of them here have become koala habitat. You can often see wild koalas sleeping up here, eating up here in the trees. What they say is the best time to plant a rainforest was 20 or 50 years ago. The next best time to plant a rainforest is right now. And it's amazing what you can create in your lifetime for those ahead of us.